Okay, everyone, let us get started. So, we'll start with the usual. I'm going to tilt this up a bit. There we go. Reaching up, and we'll do some and reach one hand. Good. And then twist. And we'll do this one today. We do pumps up. And as we do them, we're going to do 8 pumps up, and we'll do with each one. So it's and then back down. Good. And we'll do some core. So I want you to think you're squeezing down here, and then you let go of all of this as you inhale. So it's like actually don't do it on the inhale yet. And now with each, when you let go of your belly, inhale some a bit of air. So it's cool. Okay, so now we'll do some, and we'll start on ready. Making sure it's all coming from here. Relax your belly. And then engage it. Relax, engage. Relax. Good. And let's do some grr, grr, grr. Ooh, my nose itching. Grr, don't touch your face. Grr. E. So next one will be grr and then ooh. Grr. Ooh. Grr, ah. Grr, ah. Grr, oh, oh. And then grr, a. Grr, a. Good. So now let's try some ah. So you want to sit up nice and tall, lift your chin just a little bit, open your mouth, stick out your tongue, and I want you to just smile just like a little bit. Ah. Try it here. Don't try to take your chest voice off and get all tense. Make this feel nice and relaxed. it's too high, just drop down. So let my voice flip in. And one more. That was high C for the tenors, if you got there. Let's do, since this is more of a belty day, let's do some monkey sounds. E, 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 e. And now we're going to do that, and we're going to go up, kind of up through your range, up into the high notes, but don't change the feeling right here. E, 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 e. So, e, 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 e. Cool. So now I want to go, E. And now, you can let go of the monkey a little bit, let it relax, but don't open up that space too much. And we're going to do A. And now O. O. And ooh. Ooh. And let's do one final one on A. Ah. Good. So let's do some straw words. Yes, let it flip into head voice falsetto as you go up. Good. And one more. Good. So yesterday we did me-o, 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 my. Me-o, 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 my. So let's start that here. I'm not going to play it because it's hard to play on the piano. Me-o, 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 my. Me-o, 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 my. This is my hand signal for getting the sound out here. Don't be Patrick back here. Me-o, me-o, but me-o, me-o. And let's try it here. Me-o, 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 my. 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 Ready, and another one. Me-o, 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 my. Me-o, 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 my. Another one. Me-o, 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 my. 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 Good. Let's try some ga, 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 ga. And find the ga, 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 ga right there, yeah? So, ga, 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 ga. 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 Ga 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 ga. One more. Ga 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 ga. So let's do some. I want to do like an NG siren. And how high can you go up? And you want to feel like you're lifting your ears, spreading your nose, and really supporting that. One more time, ready? Good. And let's try some Maybe My Mummies May Move to Miami and Maybe My Mummy May Not. And we'll start here on this pitch. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. And then up one. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. Feeling this really forward, mama, 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 let your lips really go for it. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. One more. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. Good. Okay. Well, that was a quick little warm-up this morning. I'll unmute you guys and I'll stop recording.